Okay family, today I'm going to be juicing this watermelon. And first let me begin by explaining something to you guys. I purchased this melon, it's seeded. I was so happy to find a seeded melon in the store. And also I tested this and you notice it's hollow, so that was one good thing. Also in the stem it's dark, like a rustic look, so it's well ripened. And look at this color family. This is where it sits on the earth. So that's how you know your melon is ready. When it's nice and yellow over here, like, you know, really dirty looking, that's it. So I'm gonna go now and wash this and cut it up and show you guys what's next. So I'm gonna wash this with some baking soda. I'm gonna rub it in. The reason I'm doing this because I might have to do some of the skin with it, and I want to make sure it's nice and clean and no pesticide or whatever. I don't know how they grow this thing, but you never know. So I'm getting rid of all the dirt and the stuff that we don't need. So that's the first thing I did, family. Make sure this was nice and clean. Rinsing all the debris off. I'll go ahead and scrub some more. Now it looks clean. Okay, hey family, nice and red, looks sweet too. Let's see. So I'm going to cut this up and prepare it for the juicing, and then I will show you what's next. So sweet. Wow. Blend this, seeds and all. And then I'll show you how I bottle this juice today. Actually going to one of my subscribers who ordered watermelon today. Oh, this one up here. Stir it in. Now I'm gonna add a whole lemon. This was lime, family, sorry. Lime juice. And that's it. I'm gonna give it a stir. Perfect. You only need one lime. Perfect. Now I'm gonna bottle this, like I said earlier. It's for one of my subscribers. She wanted lime, so that's what I did. And I'm gonna do another one with ginger. This was just raw melon, no water added. Here it is, family, all ready to go. And I need to do 3 more with, like I said, she wanted lime in those. And I believe we're gonna do ginger in there, the 3. So stay with me. So I'm preparing my ginger for the next juicing with the watermelon. And this, not a lot. This is about like a 2 inch, 2 to 3. Okay. I'm gonna put that in the blender. After I chop it up, that is. I'm gonna drop this in. This one I have to strain it out because I added ginger, and you could taste the particles in it. So these are the roughage from the ginger. Just a little patience you have to have to enjoy your juice. When you do it at home with ginger, you have to strain. But no water added, no sugar added. All done and bottled for my subscriber. And you could try this at home with the ginger and also with lime. Not lemon, lime, okay? Try that for the summer.